Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix you are not logged in your Minecraft account. Alright, so let's begin. I'm going to show you how to fix the Minecraft failed to connect to the server error when you are not able to log into your account. Just follow these methods one by one carefully. First method, run Minecraft as administrator. Go to your Minecraft launcher icon on the desktop. Right click on it and select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab. Here check this option for compatibility mode and then check the option that says run this program as an administrator. After selecting it, click apply and then OK. Close everything and try launching the game again. If the issue is still there, move to the next step, update Java. Since Minecraft runs on Java, an outdated Java version can cause login and server connection problems. Open Java from your system or search Java in the Windows search bar. Go to the update section and click on update now if an update is available. Install the latest version and restart your PC. If updating does not fix the issue, open the Minecraft launcher, go to settings at the bottom right and find the Java section. Click on Java path or browse, then manually select the installed Java folder from your system, usually inside program files Java. After selecting the correct Java file, click save, close the launcher and restart your computer. Next method, flush DNS using command prompt. Open the Windows search bar and type cmd. Right click on command prompt and choose run as administrator. Now type the following commands one by one and press enter after each. First is ipconfig/flush DNS. Then type ipconfig/renew. Once done, type exit. After that, close the window and restart your PC. If the problem still continues, change your DNS server. Go to your search bar and open control panel. Once opened, then go to AN Sharing Center. Here, click on Change Adapter Settings from the top left. Now right-click on your connected Wi-Fi or Ethernet and select Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Here, select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter Preferred DNS Server 8888. Then in Alternate DNS Server 8844, click OK, then close everything and restart your computer again. After restarting, open Minecraft and try logging in. In most cases, this will fix the failed to connect to the server error. And that's it. This is how you can fix you are not logged in your Minecraft account. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.